I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search and select an action ClinchPad. Give here ClinchPad API token. So please visit ClinchPad API token. API. Copy the API token. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. You can add actions by checking the box. Also, here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now go to your ClinchPad site, More, Contacts. Here you can see the data came successfully in ClinchPad. Thanks for watching.